Okay, so gotta catch. We're at a customer's house that they've got a water heater that was working. Then someone came by and said, the owner said it's not working anymore. After a couple days, she left, came back, turned it on, heard a popping sound, and someone came by and told her unit's electrified, and now we're here. So we're gonna go inside and see what's going on. Okay, so that's how they've got it wired. They've got the wires pinched in there, and we've got some like black marks on the screw there and on the panel. Not much in there. They don't have the ground hooked up, so I guess they didn't have enough wire, and they actually she probably just needs more wire ran. I don't think I've got anything to do that, but we'll find out right now. Undo this, and what we'll do is loosen this up, and we'll look at what's become of the wire that they've put in here. Okay, so got the little connector off. Focus, please. Focus. It's not focusing. Come on. Please. There's the problem right there. They pinched it just a little bit. So I'm gonna call my boss. Oh, yes, you can. I'm gonna call my boss and we'll see what he says.
You know what I'm gonna say? It's not a manufacturer's defect. I'm not gonna bill A.O. Smith for a warranty defect, and the end user, the homeowner, is gonna pay. And they need to contact the original installer to make these repairs or reach out to a licensed electrician. Easy peasy.
Okay, so we're checking everything we can before we say that that's the only problem. This bad boy over here. Okay. And I don't see anything wrong, but just in case, we're gonna at least get the wires off of these here elements and make sure the resistance readings for the elements are good, and make sure that they're not grounded or anything. Nothing's grounded. That way we're not gonna have to do anything else besides get that fixed.
So remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in the Central Florida, Orlando region of Orange County or Seminole County and you need your water heater repaired, give us a call at 407-375-1100 or save time. Book online at orlandopipedoctor.com. We're a factory authorized warranty service provider for A.O. Smith and Rheem. We'd love to help you out. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.